Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Students, how was the test? How you felt? How was the question paper? Yes, I'm not getting any response. Respond. How was the question paper, students? It was tough. I'm not getting any responses. Means it was tough. Yes. No answer. Kishan, am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why no response?
Ma'am, I
Hemalata,
didn't get.
How was the question paper?
Ma'am, we didn't write, ma'am. We were having placements at that time.
Okay, okay. Oh, 19 students, no? Remaining, what about the remaining students? Dakshayani, Uma. Yes, students, respond.
Yes, ma'am, it was good,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. It was easy. We could write.
Easy. And who are the doubt students? I don't know. I don't know the name of the students. That uh, somebody was telling that madam has not. Madam has given only the description for the eight question. She has
Yeah,
not.
ma'am, it's on me, Raman. I haven't seen the second part.
Okay, okay, okay. See, that's why down I have written no the page number one of two, two of two, like that it was there. So you have to, and the same thing you may do in your external exam also, students. This mistake. Okay, many students will do also these types of mistakes. They don't turn to next page, and sometimes what happens in case study and innovative questions, if we give three questions, one to first and second question may be in the first page only the last question will be in the second page. The students will not see. The same thing happened for your seniors, for fourth semester students. They don't have patience to go to the next page also. They just see the first page and they start writing, and they complete the writing. Not only in your internal exam, in external exam also. Just once you turn the pages, students. See, this is common. This is everybody will do this. I'm not telling this is big mistake, but sometimes it happens. The same you in your external exam also. You just turn the page and see what is, if anything is there in the next page. Okay. So the question paper was very easy, students. I did not give any tough questions. So all the questions were easy only. Students, take very seriously your internals, because in your for second semester video has already announced that there is no exam, will be a promotion. The percentage will be based on the internal exam. So we'll evaluate seriously your internals, because your result is depending on your performance, is depending on your internals only. So you have to take seriously your internals. And I'm observing many of the students are not attending the class, or they are joining at the end of the class. And in this online mode, only few students I can observe, because 40 plus students will be there. It is difficult to observe so many students, but it is loss for you people only, students. If you are just joining for the sake of attendance, then what, there is no loss for me. Understand this. Just I can scold one or two word. I can tell one or two words. Don't bunk the classes. Don't miss the class. Don't join at the time of attendance. Join the class from the beginning only. One or two words I can say. But you will be the losers. Okay. Student, today I'm going to complete third module, that is Bootstrap. Before I complete this model, once I want to show the syllabus. Yes, students. Is my screen is visible? Yes, Rupak.
Excuse me, ma'am. When will
Yeah,
we
tell me.
have our internals, ma'am? Ma'am, those students who couldn't
I'll discuss with
appear.
HOD. I'll discuss with HOD.
Okay, ma'am.
Because sir, that day sir told, I asked when we will conduct, sir told we will discuss it later, he told. And today I am on leave, I have not gone to college. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, students, is my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the third module, what we have is introduction to Bootstrap, the examples, container, Bootstrap elements. The Bootstrap elements are color, table, images, button, group of buttons, progress bar, forms, classes, utilities, alerts, custom form, grid system. Yes, students, all the topics I have covered. The left out is only the utilities. So today I'm going to complete utilities, and today I'll complete this third module. Next, only the last module will be remaining, that is Angular JS. Only the fifth module will be from the next class onwards. Um, I'll start with the fifth module, that is Angular JS. And students, this Angular JS is very important nowadays in many of the industries, in software companies, to design the web page. They are using this Angular JS. Okay. Yes, students. Next we have is, yes, the screen is visible now, students. The PPT is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, so we have is utilities in Angular. Utilities in Bootstrap. Utilities in Bootstrap. See, when we hear a word utilities, so what are the things will come in this Bootstrap is, I'll write one by one. The border, color, radius, etc. So here in this module, we are going to learn the three types of utilities. We are going to learn three types of utilities, that is border, color, and the radius. What is border, students? What is border? What is border? Come on, what is border? The lines.
Outline, ma'am.
If you take a box, yes, outer line. If you take any box, or if you take example of Excel, correct? If you take example of Excel, when I type something in the Excel, then it looks like, so I am writing in one cell, correct? No, I am writing in a cell. When you take a printout, then it will not come like this. It will come in a blank sheet without a border, without the border. How it looks? See, I'll take this example only. If I type this border, color, radius. See students, I have less space, so that's why I'm writing only one letters. If you are not understanding what I am writing, please ask students. See, I repeat, if you open Excel and if you start typing the content in the Excel, then how it looks in the box, in the cells, I am writing border, color, radius, length, breadth, height, etc. How I write, no, it looks like how it will be, how it is when I write in the Excel, that in the inside the table, how I write that, in that way it looks. But when I take a printout, it will be visible like this, without these bullets. Only the border, color, radius, etc. In the plain sheet, in the blank sheet, these items it will print when I take a printout. But if you want the content in the border, then we have to go to border and we have to select the border style. There are many ways of border style. Only the outer line, or inside also you want to take a border line, or sometimes what happens, I want to take border only in the two sides, only left side and the top. I don't want any border at the right side and the bottom. Yes, we can customize. Can we do this? Yes, students, can we do this? Yes, we can do this. Sometimes what happen, I want border only at the bottom. I don't want the border at the top, or to the left or to the right. Or sometimes I want border only in the left and right. I don't want border at the top and at the bottom. Getting? So by using this utility, by using this border utility, we can achieve that. So that we are going to see with one example. See students, if you are not understanding, please ask questions. Yes, what you can see here?
Small boxes with a border.
Yes. See students, this is the first box with 4-side border. Correct, no? Kanasta idea?
Yes, ma'am.
And next, a blank space is there. Means what? A box is there, but there is no border. If I don't have border, then how the box will be visible? And the third box, see, left border is there, right border is there, bottom border is there, the top border is not there. Yes, students, observe carefully. And next box, left is there, top is there, bottom is there, and right side is not there. Kanasta idea? Yes, students, is it visible? Don't imagine when I say, just you tell me whether it is visible or not.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes. The next is top is there, left border is there, right border is there, and bottom is not there. Next is left is not there, top, right, and bottom is there. How we can do this is, I'll open the code and I'll show you. This is very simple, students. Is the font is visible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Can anybody tell me?
Inline style sheet.
This is an inline style sheet for the border. The properties I have defined. Yes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 span tags are there. 6 span tags are there. How many boxes are there, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes are there, no? So for 6 boxes, 6 span tags are there. Okay. Next. See, the first span tag, border. See, if you just give border, then it will take a border to all the 4 sides. If you just define in the class, if you just define border, then it will take border for all the 4 sides. Coming to the next span, border 0. I don't want any border. That's why the next box is without any borders. Without any borders. Observe, students. Next, the third is border. I want border, but top border should be 0. Top border should be 0. Is the top border is 0? Yes, there is no top border. Next, right border is 0. Next, bottom border is 0 and left border is 0. Yes, right border is 0, bottom border is 0 and left border is 0. So like this, you can apply these things in your program. Next, we have color. So next, I have a color. Now to the border, I want to give red color, or you want to give green color, or yellow, black, whatever the color you want to give, you can give the color to the borders. Yes, students. Now how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes are there. Means for these 8 boxes, 8 span tags are used to define the color utility or to assign the color utility. See here. First, this is first tag, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. So 9 boxes are there. So 9 span tags. See, students, when I explained you the alert program, for the class, we were just giving info, danger, success. So by default, the danger color, it was taking red. By default, the info color, it was taking green. How it was taking? See, we have not defined that. By default, this is the use of this advantage of this class. When you take a class, by default, whatever the color is defined for this danger, it will take that color. For warning, whatever the color is defined in the library, it will take that color. That's why to execute this Bootstrap program, we are taking the libraries. See for the first box, it is like bluish color. We see the code. In the code, the border is primary. See, we have not defined any color. For the border style primary, in the alert, whatever the class in the alert class, whatever it is defined, so that it will take. So secondary. For secondary, what color? It is like purple something. It is like a purple. And for success means there is a something good has happened. So something good has happened, that we are going to show using this green color. And the next is danger. See, danger means something has happened which we don't want. That has happened. So that we are showing with a red color or some danger color. So by default, it has taken, it is like pinkish. It is not red also. Some like reddish it is showing. Next is a warning. Warning is showing in a yellow color. Next, info. See, students, info and primary both are same color. Some information we are giving. See, both are same color. Next, one minute. Okay, next is white. White means background, it will take white. The last one is dark. Last one is dark. So it is taking a black, dark border. It is taking a black, dark border. Next we have radius. Yes, students, before I explain the next program, radius program, let me show this program once. See here, observe this program, students. See here, whatever the color it is taking. See, this is primary, or you can say this is info. For info, what color they have take? It has taken. See, for here also using alert class, info, it is like bluish color. Yes, both colors are same, no students? For success, it is green. Here also, to show a success, it is green. For danger, it is like, it is not red also, it is not pink also. So the same color is here for danger. For warning, it is like it is not orange also, and it is not brown also. Okay. So like this why I am showing this is, here in these programs, if you don't give the color explicitly, by using the class, it will take the by default color. Like for success, what is the by default color? For danger, what is the default color? For warning, what is the default color? For info, what is the default color? What are the default colors are there? It will take. Radius. Yes, students. What is the difference between this program and this program? I mean, this output and that output. See, I'll give you 2 minutes time. You observe the output of all the boxes. How these boxes are visible. You observe. Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you observing the output?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, don't compare this with this. Just you compare the boxes, students. In this output only, just to compare the shapes. Is all the shapes are same?
No, ma'am.
What is the difference then?
Curve.
Yes, exactly. Yes, students, see here. See here. 3, 4, 5, 9. 9 shapes are there. So here in the program, it should have 9 span tags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 tags are span tags are there. See, the first one is rounded. What is SM? What is SM? Go back to your grid system.
Small, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. XS means extra small. This is small. So the curves I want small rounded means some small curves I want. But for the next box, the curve should be fully, compared to the first one, it should have more curve. It should be more curve. See here, it is not sharp edges. See the first output, the edges are not sharp. The edges are not how we write a square box. Little curve is there. Yes, students, observe. Little curve is there. But to the second box, yes, we can see the edges are not sharp. The edges are curve. Compared to the first box, the second box it is more curve. Correct? No. And third large rounded. So the compared to the second box, it has more
Curve.
rounded curves. Correct? No. Yes, students, are you observing or just I'm whatever I'm telling, just you're listening? Are you also feeling that? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is top. Only the top should be curve. See, only the tops are curve. The bottoms you can observe, students. Sharp edges are there, no? Yes? Kanasta idya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And next, right. Only the right boxes. See where I'm pointing the mouse pointer. But the lefts are sharp edges. Observe, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is bottom. Sorry, here. Bottom. Only the bottoms are curves. The tops are sharp edges. Correct? The tops are sharp edges. Next is left. Only the left edges are curve edges. Next I want complete rounded. Yes, it is a round. Next, the last one, rounded 0. I don't want any edges should be rounded or curves. Yes, you see, there is no curves. There is no curves. Complete square box is there. Yes, students, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, students, I have completed third module. In the next class, I'll start with the fifth module, that is AngularJS. That is very important module, students. And now 10 minutes, I want to discuss your mini project because still this week we don't get lab because according to timetable, tomorrow afternoon we have lab. Tomorrow afternoon we have internals. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days we have internals, and Thursday also we don't get free time because you have that OAMD lab, and Friday you will be having you will be having a proctor meeting, and Saturday half day. So that's why just 10 minutes I want to discuss. So I'll come one by one. This first group. Annaga, is she there? Annaga and team. Annaga and team, there is no progress. And the last lab also, they were absent. Akhil and group, they are also absent.
Ma'am,
Yes, who is that?
Akhil ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, we will show after the completing the lab exam, ma'am.
Which project you will show?
Ma'am, we are not decided, ma'am.
You better you decide in the next semester, Akhil.
No, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am, sir told us to do some project, ma'am. That's what we are doing now.
What is that some project? There is no title.
Yeah, ma'am. Malpractice, ma'am.
Malpractice. Okay. Did you take any requirement from sir?
No, ma'am. We are just deciding what to do now.
What is this? And see, you're in hardly in 1 or 2 weeks. This semester is going to end, and still you are not. I'll report the same thing to HOD.
Ma'am, we did 2 projects, ma'am, but the sir told to change the product, so that's why we are.
Akrit and Santosh completed the project.
No, ma'am. We are trying.
1 minute, students. Wait, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, next batch. Anusha and Mohit, what is the status now?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್.
Yes, can you?
Lab internals.
Okay. Arvind and Harshit.
Ma'am, I have done some 2-3 modules, ma'am.
You have to show, no?
I'll show it.
When you will show? Mohit.
After this internals, ma'am.
Arifullah and Harshit, Arifullah and Manoj.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ
ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಸರಿಪ್ಪ. Huma and Jayant. Huma and Jayant. Are you there, Huma and Jayant? Last week also you both were absent. And now also you are not responding. Pavan and Sai Kumar. Pavan and Sai Kumar. ನಿಮ್ದಿರೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ ಪೇಜ್, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೋಮ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಒಬ್ರು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಂತೀರಾ, ಒಬ್ರು ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂತೀರಾ. ಏನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಧ್ಯೆನೇ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವನು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡವನೇ, ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಶಾಂಕ್. Spurti and Veena.
Yes, ma'am.
What is status? Why last week absent?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಎರರ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
At least you could have attended and you could have told me, no?
Yes, ma'am.
What about your partner?
Spurti. That is, she is not feeling well.
For how many days? For how many days she was not well? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
For how many days she was not well? Yes, Purti, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Respond.
On that day, I was not well, ma'am.
That day you were not well. But what about the previous week?
This week I was there, ma'am.
Students, answer your attendance. Answer attendance 1. 2.
Yes, ma'am.
3.
Yes, ma'am.
4.
Yes, ma'am.
6.
Yes, ma'am.
7. 8.
Yes, ma'am.
9.
Present, ma'am. 10.
10. Who is 10? Bhanu Prakash. 11.
Yes, ma'am.
12.
Present, ma'am.
13.
Present, ma'am.
14.
Present, ma'am.
15. 15. 16.
Present, ma'am.
17. 18.
Present, ma'am.
19. 20.
Present, ma'am.
21.
Present, ma'am.
22. 23. 24. 25.
Present, ma'am.
26.
Present, ma'am.
27.
Present, ma'am.
28.
Present, ma'am.
29.
Yes, ma'am.
30.
Yes, ma'am.
31.
Yes, ma'am.
32.
Present, ma'am.
33.
Present, ma'am.
34.
Present, ma'am.
35.
Yes, ma'am.
36.
Present, ma'am.
37.
Present, ma'am.
38.
Present, ma'am.
39.
Present, ma'am.
40.
Yes, ma'am.
41.
Present, ma'am.
42.
Present, ma'am.
43.
Present, ma'am.
44.
Present, ma'am.
45.
Present, ma'am.
46.
Present, ma'am.
47.
Present, ma'am.
48.
Present, ma'am.
49.
ma'am.
49.
Present, ma'am.
50.
Present, ma'am.
51.
Present, ma'am.
52.
Present, ma'am.
53.
Present, ma'am.
54. 54. 55.
Present.
Present, ma'am.
56.
Present, ma'am.
57.
Ma'am.
58.
Present, ma'am.
59.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, one is
60.
present, ma'am.
60. Sorry, 59. Okay. Till now, what you were doing? Sleeping, huh?
Smita
Or
BS
you-
has some
No, ma'am.
network issues.
Every time you don't tell me the same reason. And what is your project status?
54 present,
What is your
ma'am.
project status? USN 1?
Ma'am, she did not answer, ma'am. She had network issues and she told me to answer the attendance.
You tell her to call me. I cannot give attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
By say, if her mic is not working and she's not whatever, at least she can message in the chat box, no? Whatever the problem she has and whatever the status, project status, she can message in the chat box.
I'll
If you
inform, ma'am.
people are so careless, then everything I'll report to HOD. Let HOD will decide what action he has to take.
Excuse me.
Okay, students, I'll stop here. See you in the next class.
Yes. Present.